A chef is as prepared as his tools, and something as out of the way as a gas hose can make the difference between success and failure. An improperly installed gas hose can mean poor performance, unnecessary replacement, or even the risk of gas poisoning and death. Not such an insignificant part of the kitchen, after all. TNS gas hoses begin with a hydroformed inner core, which provides both strength and flexibility. The core is covered with a high-quality stainless steel braiding, and then with a thick extruded coating for added cleanliness. One of the main strains on gas hoses comes when the unit it's connected to is pushed back toward the wall. A typical gas hose will twist or kink with a strain, and repeated stress, or even one stressful push, can tear the hose material near its end fitting. Kinks in the hose can also restrict gas flow, meaning unpredictable cooking conditions or even unusable conditions. Another significant strain for a gas hose is the stretch it experiences when the unit is pulled away from the wall. Without a restraining cord, or simply with careless staff pulling too far on the unit, the hose can be strained and experience the same risk of damage at its ends. Safety link connectors are designed to work together with our exclusive swivel link, the ultimate connector accessory for gas hoses. Swivel link adds a swivel to each end of the hose, enabling it to turn from side to side without kinking. Swivel link can snug a hose closer to the wall without restricting its gas flow. A closer fit means additional kitchen space for more important things, like cooking. Swivel link also provides the most reach for your gas hose. In addition, our patented swivel design can't lock up, unlike some of our competitors. Since Safety Link is available in a variety of lengths and diameters for increased BTU capacity, there are plenty of options to meet the needs of your kitchen environment. Installing a safety link is fairly simple, but keep in mind that the dangers of working with gas should guide you carefully through the process. First, make sure the manual gas shutoff valve is turned to off. If you can't find a shutoff valve, turn off the main gas supply line valve. Never proceed unless you are sure the gas is turned off. Look at your installation space to see how the appliance connection will match up with the gas supply line. If both are more than 18 inches above the floor, use a vertical loop. If both are low, use a horizontal loop. If one of the connections is higher than the other, use a combination loop, turning the hose to accommodate the height distance. Now, ensure that the two ends of the hose will be offset from each other. This offset ensures that the hose, with swivel link installed, will be able to turn to fit snugly against the wall. If your connections are not offset, you will need to install an elbow on the supply line to create one. Then, prepare the gas supply side. If the connection is already male, apply Teflon tape or pipe joint compound to its threads. If the connection is female, apply Teflon or pipe joint compound to a pipe nipple and thread that into the connection. Next, install the swivel link, applying Teflon or compound to the male threads of the fitting and threading it into the assembly you've been working on. Then, move to the appliance side. Apply sealant and thread the male end of the other swivel link fitting into the elbow and tighten it. Attach the safety link gas hose to each swivel link and tighten. Check that all connections are tight and perform a leak test. Then ensure that your safety link is appropriately marked. Affix the notice label to the back of the appliance and the yellow label to the wall near the shutoff valve. Finally, and this is an important step, attach the restraining cable to the wall and to the appliance you've just installed. Adjust its length so the safety link can never be fully extended. This cable will keep your gas hose performing for a long life without unnecessary strain. Congratulations! You've just installed the finest gas hose available. Treat it well, and the TNS Safety Link and Swivel Link will keep your kitchen appliances well fueled for years and years to come.